How to sign up for a new account on Otter AI. The very first thing you have to do is simply open up your web browser, and then here you're going to have to search for Otter AI. Once you've searched for it, you can just go ahead and scroll down until you find this link, otter.ai, and open it up. After that, you have two options at the top, login and start for free. What you're going to do now is tap on this login option, even though you have not opened any account. And once you head here, you're going to have to continue with Google. And if you want, you could also explore another ways to log in with your email and create a password. You want to create an account, tap on create account, and you're going to have to continue with Google here. So tap on it. And once you've done that, click on your account right here. Now click on continue. And then from here, you're going to have to click on continue again. And once that is done, you'll be taken to another page. So as you can see here, you have an option. Otter will join scheduled Zoom meetings, Google, Microsoft meetings, and more. Tap on next. And then from here, you're going to have to go ahead and tap on next again. Now from here, if you want, you can invite your teammates. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm just going to tap on next. So here, choose what best describes your work, or you could just skip it for now. I'm just going to tap on skip. And it will ask you to try a 14-day plan for free, but I prefer the basic plan, so I'm just going to continue with the free version. And once that is done, you've successfully created your account. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.